Have you ever wondered about how to build wealth in the stock market? If so, then you are at the right place. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Isaac Jonas and I like to talk about personal finance and investing. For me, personal finance and investing is very personal because I grew up and I was seeing poverty all around me, and I was telling myself when I grow up I want to be a millionaire, and I thought it was going to be easy. So I went to school. I completed a Bachelor of Degree in Economics at the University of Zimbabwe and even proceeded to the University of British Columbia here in Canada, where I completed 2 master's degrees, including a Master of Food and Resource Economics. Armed with that education, I then thought I was ready to venture into the market and make money. And I remember working in the bank. I had about 3,000 Canadian dollars, which I wanted to invest in the market. And when I got to the bank, the banker told me that I could possibly invest that money in guaranteed investment certificates. And when I asked the banker how much I could possibly get in that investment, they said it was going to be less than 1%, and inflation was about more than 2%. So I clearly knew that I was going to lose money. But instead of being angry at what the banker was saying, because they are working for their shareholder, I started reading a lot of books, and I wanted to learn as much as possible about investing in the stock market and making money. Throughout that journey, I realized that making money is a process and it is a journey. And also, in talking to some of my friends, I also realized that they had no clue about how to invest in the stock markets. That's when I decided to start this YouTube channel. So in this channel, you should expect to see me uploading 1 video a week at least, and in addition to that, I will also bring some guests from my network to talk about personal finance, their experience in their careers, and also if they are investing in different sectors of the economy, including real estate. The idea is to exchange these experiences because personal finance is so personal. There's no one size fits all. Some strategies work for other people, and in some cases, some people may not like those strategies. Hence, I will be bringing those different angles in my content. Now, in conclusion, I want to thank you so much for your audience, and please make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that when I post the content, you can get some notifications, and also feel free to comment and reach out if you have any questions. May the market be with you and have a wonderful day. Bye bye for now.